If you live in an area with hard water, you know the frustration of dealing with limescale buildup and soap scum. Water softeners can help solve these problems by removing minerals that cause hard water. In this video, we'll take a look at the best 5 water softener systems on the market and what features to look for when choosing one. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information on these products. Let's get started. GE Water Softener System. The GE Water Softener System is a reliable and efficient solution for clean and soften water in your home. It offers a 40,000 grain capacity and 5100 GPG efficiency, effectively filtering your water supply to remove up to 125 GPG of hardness and 1/8 of iron. Enjoy the benefits of clean and softened water throughout your home with this high-quality water softener system. One of the standout features of this system is the exclusive custom select blending valve, which allows you to customize the level of softness according to your preferences. Additionally, the salt saver feature helps reduce salt consumption by up to 34%, providing cost savings and environmental benefits. This softener system features smart technology that learns your water use patterns, providing a constant supply of softened water. The electronic control panel and status indicators make monitoring and maintenance simple. It offers long-term durability and convenience with its self-cleaning sediment filter and compatibility with various plumbing setups. For added peace of mind, the GE Water Softener System comes with a limited 1-year warranty, providing you with assurance and support. AQUASURE AS HS48 Water Softener. The AQUASURE AS HS48 Water Softener is a professional-grade unit designed to provide ultra-softened water throughout your home. Ideal for households with 3 to 4 bathrooms, this water softener has a high capacity of treating up to 48,000 grains of hardness. By removing minerals like calcium and magnesium, it prevents scale buildup and protects your appliances, ensuring their longevity. This water softener features an automatic digital metered control head with a fully programmable backlit display. You can easily customize the auto flush intervals based on the incoming water quality and usage, allowing for efficient water treatment and hassle-free maintenance. The unit is constructed with a durable and corrosion-resistant fiberglass-lined polyethylene tank, along with a reliable bypass valve and premium-grade resin, ensuring long-lasting performance. Finally, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 5-year extended manufacturer warranty, and lifetime free US-based tech support. On-the-go compact water softener. The On-the-go compact water softener is a compact and portable solution designed specifically for RV and marine owners who desire the benefits of soft water while on the go. Its space-saving design, with a capacity of 16,000 grains, allows for easy installation in tight spaces and convenient storage in storage bays or dockside lockers. This compact water softener delivers approximately 40% more soft water compared to other units, making it ideal for travel. It operates without the need for tools or electricity and regenerates quickly with just 2 boxes of common table salt in less than 30 minutes. It provides a range of benefits, including improving the taste and odor of water, preventing hard water and rust stains, and preventing scale buildup. By reducing the effects of hard water, it also extends the lifespan of your appliances. Additionally, it enhances the condition of your skin by reducing dryness and increasing the lathering of soaps. For added convenience, the included backflush adapter allows for easy switching to reverse connection when needed. KENMORE 350 Water Softener. The KENMORE 350 Water Softener is a reliable solution for obtaining cleaner, softened water throughout your home. With its exceptional capacity to reduce hardness mineral levels up to 90 grains per gallon GPG and clear water iron up to 8 parts per million ppm, this 32,000 grain water softener ensures that your water is free from impurities, protecting your plumbing and appliances from scale buildup and damage. Equipped with IntelliSoft technology, this water softener automatically adjusts to your water usage patterns, optimizing salt, water, and energy consumption. You can enjoy continuous access to soft water without worrying about running out. The compact design of the KENMORE 350 makes it suitable for installation in tight spaces, making it a convenient addition to your incoming water line. The advanced display board provides easy monitoring of salt levels and water flow, simplifying maintenance and ensuring optimal performance. The KENMORE 350 water softener is equipped with a built-in screen that provides an ultra-cleansing feature. This feature prevents larger sediment particles from entering your home's plumbing system, protecting your water-using appliances and maintaining their efficiency. AQUASANA Whole House Water Softener. The AQUASANA Whole House Water Softener is a comprehensive filtration system that ensures clean and great-tasting water from every tap in your home. With its advanced activated carbon filtration, it effectively reduces 97% of chlorine, eliminating unpleasant odors and providing refreshing water for you and your family to enjoy. The newly improved divider valve allows for a high flow rate of up to 14.6 gallons per minute, ensuring a steady water pressure throughout your home. This high-performance filter system combines salt-free conditioning, carbon filtration, and KDF media to maximize filtration efficiency and reduce scale buildup. Unlike traditional water softeners, it does not remove essential minerals, ensuring that your water remains healthy and balanced. The system requires no draining or backflushing, making maintenance hassle-free. Simply replace the pre- and post-filters every 2 months to maintain optimal filtration and flow rate. The AQUASANA Whole House Water Softener comes with a top-grade installation kit and components, including filter tank, conditioner tank, pre-filter, post-filter, brass fittings, bend supports, and shutoff valves. It is backed by a 10-year limited warranty, providing you with long-term protection and peace of mind. Thank you for watching our video on the best water softener systems. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your quest for better water quality. Remember, soft water can make a big difference in your daily life, from improved skin and hair health to longer-lasting appliances and fixtures. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.